Hi, Jim Nations back to talk about the next generation science standards again. Talked previously about vocabulary. This time I want to go through one of the most glaring errors that I found in reading through the NGSS. This is really remarkable, and I've talked to a lot of people around the state about it, and particularly folks in agriculture. Well, what can I say? They just roll their eyes at this. Here's what it is. In kindergarten, in life sciences, the statement is made, a clarification statement is made about patterns, about how people and animals need food, but plants do not. Now, anybody, I would hope, with a basic education, if you went to one biology class, you know that, of course, we take in food, we take in nutrients, but so does every other living thing on this planet, including plants. What do plants need to grow, to live, to survive? Well, like everything on the planet, water is absolutely essential. Plants also need nutrients, which typically they get from the soil. Plants use sunlight through the process of photosynthesis to make their food. But what's the one thing that's missing? And I think this is significant. I've talked before about the global climate warming change folks and their consensus and everything like that. The foundation of that, of course, is the production of CO2. So CO2, there's a book called The Satanic Gases. And CO2 is bad, apparently. It's been listed as a pollutant by the Environmental Protection Agency of the United States government. But everything on this planet depends on CO2, because CO2 is plant food. Plants take that in through photosynthesis, and what do they produce? Well, they get bigger, they produce fruit, they produce vegetables, the plant itself grows more leaves, whatever it may be, a bigger tree, and they give off oxygen. So plants are absolutely essential to life on this planet. They're part of the ecosystem. And CO2, carbon dioxide, which we emit as a waste gas, is taken up by plants and used as part of the photosynthesis process to produce food for animals and also to produce oxygen. So to tell kids in kindergarten that plants don't need food is just wrong. And that's not the only example in the next generation science standards of what I now call junk science. And I'll tell you about some more in future episodes.